In a world where technology is advancing at lightning speed, it's never been more critical to stay ahead of the game. With AI shaping our future, communicating effectively with intelligent machines is key to unlocking your full potential. That's where the AI Whisperer's Code comes in. This groundbreaking book takes you on an epic journey from ordinary to extraordinary, using generative fantasy to blend reality, fantasy, and accelerated learning techniques. For the first time ever, experience the power of AI in the form of a story that will keep you on the edge of your seat. This isn't just a guide, it's an adventure. Discover the prompts, commands, and tools to make AI work for you and become an AI Whisperer, the master of your own destiny with the help of artificial intelligence. Whether you're an entrepreneur or business owner, this is the ultimate guide to harnessing the full power of AI. Get your copy of the AI Whisperer's Code, the proven method for achieving unbelievable results using ChatGPT and AI on Amazon today, and embark on a thrilling journey of discovery and transformation.